A wholesome bowl of lentils, slow cooked with spices, and tender dhokli that melt into every spoonful. Dal Dhokli, a traditional Gujarati dish where soft wheat dumplings simmer in a rich spiced dal, creating a meal that is hearty, comforting, and full of flavor. Begin with 1 cup of toor dal, rinsed until the water runs clear. For a smooth, creamier texture, soak the dal for 20 to 30 minutes. Once soaked, transfer it into a pressure cooker. Season with salt and a pinch of turmeric. Add a quarter cup of peanuts for a subtle texture and nutty richness. Pour in 3 cups of water, just enough to cook everything evenly. Pressure cook for about 14 minutes until the dal turns soft and the peanuts are tender. Allow the pressure to release naturally. Then gently whisk the dal until smooth and well combined. Soak the tamarind in warm water, allowing it to soften slowly, bringing that signature tang that defines dal dhokli. In a pot, heat a tablespoon of oil. As it warms, add mustard seeds and cumin seed, letting them crackle. Add dried red chilies and fresh curry leaves as they release their aroma into the oil. Add tomatoes, letting them break down into a rich base. Let it cook for few minutes. Season with coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Let the spices cook until their aromas deepen. Now add the cooked dal. Stirring gently to bring everything together. Add water to adjust the consistency. Add jaggery for a touch of sweetness. Add tamarind pulp, bringing a bright tangy balance. Let it simmer as the flavors slowly come together. As the dal slowly simmers, we begin preparing the dhokli. In a bowl, add half a cup of wheat flour. Season with turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for a nutty flavor. Add a little oil. Bring it together with water, forming a firm, smooth dough. Let the dough rest so it relaxes and become easier to work with. Once rested, roll the dough into a thin, even roti. Keep it light and uniform. Using a knife or a pizza cutter, cut into small diamond shapes. As the dal continues to simmer, the dhokli is now ready. Add them one by one, allowing each place to slip into the bubbling dal. Stir gently so they don't stick together. Let the dhokli cook for about 15 minutes until soft, tender, and perfectly cooked. Finish with freshly chopped coriander, adding a touch of freshness and color. And just like that, a simple dal becomes something truly special, a bowl of warmth, comfort, and home. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe to Veg Wave Kitchen.